and one guy getting messed around the first runner right there.
And Ryan will take the outside line. See, it's lead jammer status. That means this jam will last as long as the runner wants to.
Let's see, trying to make a move, trying to come through the big wall right there.
5 points for it.
That's right, that sweep finally made it through. Fighting tooth and nail the entire time. It's not an easy sport out there, folks. Oh!
Lehigh Valley starting down one blocker.
Oh, look at that. Figured out coming out of the front with lead jammer status for the running Derby girl.
Christy Eagles taking advantage of the hole made for her by Mercedes Baton. Second hater back on the track for LDRG.
Meanwhile, seeing that fighting away through her own blockers with a little bit of thinking there, coming up, running into a 2-wall. As Pat falls apart. Well, I haven't seen her any come by on the scene.
Ready starting down one blocker. They have the advantage. Oh, and Red Beat almost got it.
Red Beat trying to come around on the inside there. No event.
Crash is lead jammer status. Red Beat still fighting to get through her initial pass.
That's right. Not making it easy out there. Red Beat's got to find that door. Shoot it before it closes.
Oh, a beautiful hit by Levi. And again, Levi takes out H1N1.
That's right. Levi laying the smackdown today.
And like a hot knife through butter, there goes Crash. Picking up another 5 points for Lehigh Valley.
That's right. Crash scoring a grand slam for Lehigh Valley.
H1N1 having a hard time. 5 more points for Lehigh. Gorgeous back on the track for Reading. Holding the Derby girls today. And right to the inside line for the grand slam for Crash.
Red Beat's still fighting to get through that pass. We'll try to identify that winner as it's jumped through.
Once again, no resistance there. Crash picked up another 5 points.
Good smack right off the line. Jammer right there. They're both trying to get through the back the same momentum. Oh! Almost. There we go. Sweet number 77 has lead jammer status for Reading Roller Girls.
And Louis Vuitton in the box for Lehigh. Oh! Unsweetened. Geronimo with lead jammer status for the Betties.
Seeing a guy tied up in her own blockers right there, she tries to make a move around the outside. First day with a new mouth. What do you think, Spock?
Louis Vuitton back on the track. And Geronimo picking up 5 more points for Lehigh.
Seeing a guy coming around the outside and gets knocked out of bounds again. That was a nice move there, keeping that wheel up so she didn't come out on the inside. As we got a gigantic pile up in between turns 1 and 2. There's whistle and roll.
50 Eagles looking to back the pack for Lehigh. H1N1 again taking lead jammer status.
Ooh, just like that. Dynamite comes in small packages too. She popped right through that pack like they were standing still. As Baby runs into the back of the wall of pink, fights her way through there, only to get knocked down, right back up again.
Managed for Redding, really giving Christy Winkler a run for her money. She hasn't gotten through. And there she goes.
Couple nice attempts there by Ladies in Black.
You can never stop repping.
Oh!
Wow.
And instantly Redding was back to the box.
Whoops.
No? Yes, no, I was right. You didn't get called out. You just didn't know it. And that's okay. It happens sometimes. Out there.
Which leaves 3-3 Roy. Oh, Mr. Cash with that new Taylor Sanders. Taking advantage of the confusion out of the truck, she scores a grand slam.
Grass finding very little resistance. 5 more points for Glad first setting.
Really tries to form a nice wall there to prevent Crash from coming through. There's some good smacking going on right there as they're holding her back. Ouch. That's gonna leave a mark.
Yeah. 5 more points.
Crash came through that pack.
It's Glad first
Yeah, and they were
setting.
just
That's right, she's stepping up against number 77, Sweeten Friday Redding Roller Girls.
it was ridiculous.
Both jammers having a little trouble. Oh! And she gets it. Unsweet takes the jammer setting. Geronimo right behind her. Can she catch her?
That was the speed right there. She has turned it on and goes right through the pack. She's got to continue to turn it on. Ooh, our animal missing a block right there by Redding.
And Geronimo picks up 4 points for Lehigh. And the inside line is clear open from Western Levi. Christy Winkler is in jammer status in second.
Levi throwing a shoulder in there, just opening it. Right up. Wow.
And quite a moving time. And she's on her way to the bottom of that one.
Standard out trying to fight her way through there. She's getting bottled up by Tori and Levi. 28-29 respectively.
And Redding dragging down. Cordy dragging her back. And when the Levi's on her way to the back, Louise Jones on her way out. And Redding's jammer is in the box. That's a power jam for Christy Winkler. Let's see if she can capitalize on it.
Nice attempt there by Redding. Almost knocked out. She can just stay on her wheels. Gorgeous, just an animal out there. She's just going after the jammers left and right.
Guys were like, why not? Come on. Honk.
And that's going to be a list of practice in the status in the last 30 seconds.
Wow, she just poured it on right there. Of course, pulling that fire right through the pack. Nobody's business.
We're going to stay working on Red Beat Baby and Red Beat.
That's right, 20 feet. Gotta let her go.
Maybe there's a pass. That's 4 more points for Richard Pratt. And Pratt calls again. Number 30, Little Animal, going up against 77, Unsweetened. And nice by Louis Vuitton sends
Cole's in the far right now, coming past Tori on the outside there. Razor Lorna, I'm sorry about that.
And 2 days, that's enough for me.
Running forces. Kristen Winkler outside. Ooh, look at that. 22. Skater down coming out of front.
Skater down. Taking lead camera status. Dr. Ray hit by Loveland Levi, who is in the box.
Looking for her team to make a hole for her on the front there. First turn.
Alyssa Ladd taking lead camera status.
Well, maybe fight tooth and nail to get through that time. Coming up behind. Oh, fights her way around Luke. Dude! Just checking to see if gravity still works.
Back on her feet. Another pass around. She calls that jam. Oh, on the feet. Starting out fresh. Let's see if it pays off.
Right, she's trying to. Oh, looks like she's trying to open it up right there.
Almost. But not quite the way that she's all the way back to the back of the back. And we have a lead. Taking lead camera back already.
And you know, she made it through. I was watching. I was watching Reagan trying to find her way through it, and yeah.
Reagan on the right, over Gorgeous. She's out of the Ready to starting down one blocker and short catch line.
Force out. Making her return behind the pack.
And Levi with the six for the whole recording. Jordan takes the damage status. Levi, I believe that's a cut.
So well tonight, and then if they do so well, like they don't have to win them.
Ready, Morgan, he's
And
ready
what
to
it
go.
ends up being is an entire
Does he
game.
make it from
If they do hit the goals.
We'll continue to run square in the back.
And he takes the inside line and she has the camera status to the left for the Betty. Lucy Tom working with Wayward Stay to give A1N1 a run for her money.
That's right, forcing her out, making her return behind the pack.
Wayward again like a hot knife to the butter. Another 5 points for Lehigh.
Murphy City trying to get past Lugie and stay.
Lightning assisting.
Whoops.
Generally not fun, generally.
I'm sure they do that in practice all the time.
Moving the pond, sending A1N1 out again, dragging her all the way back.
That seems to be a recurring theme here this afternoon.
Yes. But Gorgeous gives the same treatment to Winkler. Wayward stays in the box for the glass turn is back. And Kristen Winkler is through.
Kristen Winkler's going
Louis Vuitton with an assist from Crash. And will Ace one out yet again.
time and time again, Red Beat Baby gets knocked out of bounds and has to come back behind the last girl.
And another grand slam for Kristen Winkler, 5 points. And Lady Nancy is going to go to the box for Reading. Wayward stay back on the track for Lehigh.
Nice. Teamwork, ladies. Teamwork opening up a hole for Red Beat Baby right there. She is still. She wants the wheels up and just runs, I believe.
Yes. We call her the baby girl. And you can see why, because once again,
It's still there. Who's in the way? Peter and Peter, you better move. You're going down.
letting Levi put your feet out. Ready to give him some resistance. Not letting Levi back. Jerry does not get ready to back the pack.
That's right. Let's sweet that we get you right now.
Bring Leslie back to the track as well as Lake Nancy. One more pass.
See you guys right there. It's a crowd.
And straight right, takes the jammer status. Becky Gator right behind her.
That's right. Let's see you guys for a healthy putting your foot on there. She was very slow-handed. Just going to bounce off of her. She runs into a 4-ball there. Kick girl.
Moving us out again. Getting out by the camera.
So she
Calls it.
That's right.
Levi gets pushed out down.
Rugby Baby clawing her way over her own blockers right now.
Both jammers having one hard time getting through.
That's right. She's got messing on pack right now. Sometimes you think you can move it in, she's just trying to see the pack.
Neither jammer has completed the pass. And listen, Levi living up to her name, sending a tornado all the way to the back of the pack. Vicky Molly still having a hard time. Hard fought and much appreciated.
Vicky Candace kind of balled up out there, just running the shoulders. All kinds of problems trying to do that pack.
Couple rough hits. Mantis giving a good one. Vicky Molly.
The pack falls apart. Ruth Moore is behind everybody.
And H1N1 has made it through the pack. And she calls it. Naughty girl. Naughty girl coming in. She's going to get status. Oh, and a hard hit for Unsweetened.
I've seen it by her walking the front, run into the lead again.
Oh, and Naughty girl with the slide almost taking out her up.
Paid train, ladies and gentlemen.
But she picked up a grand slam for the Blackbird setting.
Unsweet, so very fun to get through the pack right there. Not very easy. It's just no way possible to get through a wall that time. You gotta go over it.
Here's Sweeper and Louis Vuitton. We're inside. Naughty girl sneaks right on by ready. For 5 more points. Oh, she's going to start out with a power jam.
That's right. As Unsweet is taking a 30-second timeout. A mandatory one. As the pack is deliberately falling apart right there. Pack reforms and
And I believe we have a cut track for Green Lightning who's on her way to the box.
maintains their velocity. So she needs to get through there. I believe she was sitting sideways when she cut through the back right there. She's on fire out there. Comes through the pack with that lead James status for it. Can you dig it? Yes, you can.
Reed is on the way to the box, and it's going to be a power jam for Reddy. Let's see how many points they can pick up.
Reddy's got a forward poke right there. She's got another lead out of those that she just finished the street bar right there. She scores a grand slam for Reddy.
Reddy goes back on the track for last for his base. Triple B. Triple B. Like this one's gonna run the pole and it. Right from lead to 9. Waiting off into the jam right there. Keeps up. There we go. Calls it off. Everybody's gonna get set.
Here we go. Sweet ball up behind the button quick right there. Trying to find her way through. Now she just gets swallowed up by Pink Jersey right there.
When she came on.
Oh, we got a bunch of ballers out there. Gotta happen. It's rolling, baby. You're gonna fall. You're right, lines up there. Bumping right hand out there. Taking the win there. Top hard. Both cameras running, so blockers trying to find our way through. Hey!
And on the outside line, Cindy takes lead. Turning the center for the back to the side. And she takes out in the front and is on her way to the box. That's going to be a power jam for Winkler. Oh, no.
Nope, no fault, no harm, no foul. See her down. Comes through turn 1 and turn through. Again, it's called off. George Jessens and Lance Frank repeatedly all out to the blocker. Oh, just a fine, that much.
George Jessens down with the press. So that's the a little wobble from Georgia.
That's right, she slipped right on through there. She comes out of the speed on that one.
Morano has made it to her to pass. Morano picked up 4 points.
Red BJ's fighting to Camilla through it. She gets knocked out. That poster though, we don't recommend to sit any closer to the track than 10 feet. Katie's eye opening up a hole right there.
Gave it a fight, and she made it through and picked up 4 points for Redding. She calls the jam. Both teams have a full complement. Levi just now unsweetened, keeping her at the back of that pack. Christy Winkler making a break for it, and she gets it. Louisiana Status goes to the Blast Furnace Betty.
That's right, good. That's for the other. I think the nice
But
pass
the
enough.
Levi is still all over unsweetened. 3 times in a row.
That's right, forcing her out. Thinking of coming back in behind her for the technique that they were a few years ago. Seems to work pretty well. Getting up position. Was a pretty good hit though, so that's good.
And Razor Mona. And Razor pushes it down.
Getting over out there, folks. That's right, back comes apart, allowing next week to get by her stage after all of that abuse that she just took out there. Get it up around the outside. We're looking for a hole to see that pack right there. She finds it outside, inside. Number 23 skater guy. Lead camera fast for Redding. Look at her go, folks. Look at her go.
Corbin in the Texas right now. That's from the back of the golden wall in the front. Getting ready to give the skater guy a hard time. Let's see.
That's right, folks. Just like to remind everyone to keep your eye on the pack team.
Great gun and fresh.
A lot of times you'll see things that aren't never related. Gorgeous using her sheer power to fall over anybody. Wow, call out on that.
One girl again. Within seconds, Louisiana Status. Gorgeous has hit the box. We have 3 Redding girls in the box right now. They are at their maximum penalty. A nice hit.
Beautiful hit right there, forcing one girl out of bounds. She's having a heck of a time. As we head on, Wisely keeps back the top 3 points and back, allowing the game to get through.
Brady Fortune has showed up on the track for Redding. Let's see if it makes a difference.
Oh yeah.
Not that much. And one girl getting a cut track penalty on her way to the box of the Betty. And Gorgeous is on her way to the box for what I believe is a back block.
I'm hearing low blocks, back blocks, all kinds of fun stuff going on out there.
Messy all the way around, but it means it will release the jammer here for the Blast Furnace Betties.
That's right, she certainly has it worked out for her. Running towards up right there.
She will have a power jam for a very short amount of time.
She muscles her way through that black pin defense and pack falls apart. Naughty girl coming through.
With a grand slam to the Betty. And no pass, no penalty for Gorgeous. In the box for Redding River Girls. 4 more points picked up by the Betties.
Gorgeous trying to work their way around. Holy cow, Rugby Baby's fighting away to the back of their right. The one-ball blocker, Louie, forcing her out.
Not the blocker to run into it. She's back to the back of the pack. And Ray Gunn picks up the Gemma status.
Right, Rugby Baby's using her teammates to her advantage right there. She's still in the back of Louie.
Oh, and Louie takes her down again.
A tough adversary to get her out right now. She seems to have eyes in the back of her helmet.
I play against her all the time. She's no video.
Yeah, you can feel the energy creeping up behind you.
5 more points for Ray Gunn.
Red Beats coming to the room. Walking right now, looking for that window, and well, but it's not making it easy.
No, they aren't. And Levi sends H1N1 into the middle.
As they continually force her out now, she's got no choice but coming behind everybody, giving up her advantage and her position.
And a little assist from Levi sends Ray Gunn a little extra player out for one more pass. It's going to be a low block on Manson, number 8. I don't make the rules, I just listen to it.
Yeah, that's right.
Manson's all over Ray Gunn, but he stays on her feet. And H1N1 back again. In the back of the pack.
Right, she keeps seeing the foot on that pack right there. Both cameras looking for opposite sides of the track right now, trying to come around the outside and now inside. Junior Lavelle. Stupid guy, coming out with a couple of brings on out, she's leading Jammer. I'm sorry, she's not.
It's actually pretty tough. I got like TV here, 2 monitors here, 1 thing.
Ziggy Molly.
He pushes her out immediately. Ziggy Push come back in behind everybody.
Manson on top of Ziggy. Looks like 2 weeks ready to come together.
That's right, Ziggy's going to fire that.
And Molly's down again.
Turning out a minor technicality.
Ziggy has a power down.
It's Christy, but still.
That's right, right. It's making it very difficult for her to score into the back of all. Four cats there is attacking. Four cats is all over. One on the way.
Yeah, I'll have them all fired.
Ziggy has total Gemma status.
I have to have them some to rook by tomorrow afternoon.
Gorgeous.
Otherwise, she just gets rushed. I'm like, seriously? You know that I work all day Sunday. Like, just let me get out of work.
Penny coming through there. Oh! Wow, big hit right there. She ran her down. And Penny Clark before. He must have had a lot of coffee before she was ripping on the track right now.
Yes, she is. Levi Bean in the box for Lehigh. Oh!
Speed kills, ladies and gentlemen.
A cut for Yuki Tom.
Oh well, rules is rules. Patriots score now. 5 points for Reading. Surprise, surprise, surprise. This was all about sweet. Top right, trying to find a way to get through. No fail. Stuck in the middle of the top right now.
Let's be honest, made a great hole, but the Gemma was not going to way to get it.
Right, oh, good pressure. Ladies are looking up. Sweet, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, you guys in that first and second turn got one heck of a view right there. That's where most of the action is occurring.
It's a family show. Family show.
That's something you can repeat over the mic, that's for sure.
When we were down there, I realized
And Ray
it's just
Gunn
a
has
little
also
screen that
finished
was
her missile pass. Ready to pick up a few points.
Getting access to her own people. Eyes up there. Good play on two there, she does. But of course, they're supposed to come back behind Levi, which is not a place to be. He's brutal out there.
Let's be honest, all over Ramona.
We're just ready to, we're almost ready to back to multiple seniors out there. Teenage down, ball. Trying to go back.
You see that? She stepped out.
Both part of three-quarters right there.
And it's the power jam now for Gorgeous. Powering her way through Lehigh Jammers. And she has picked up the Jammer status.
Right, Gorgeous out in front. Number 915 for the ring. Coming to a complete halt. Man, they came together tight on that one. They can't get through whatsoever. Forced to find their way. Jimmy Tag, Mama Lee with Chuck God and all those other people. Crash White.
Yeah, George! George picked up!
That's why they were knee pads, ladies and gentlemen. They fall down hard. They got him coming behind. Screams on the outside right there. Snap that again.
And Wayward Say is not the Jammer, but she has finished her pass.
That's right. If you threw a penalty on your initial passage, you're not eligible for lead jammer. You have to do the whole thing over again. Everyone going down on that one. Top back up.
And with an assist from Levi, you got Wayward Say getting to the ground.
Either guy, Ryan or Block is opening up a hole for right now. We're looking at penetrating and she's strong. But not to the back block.
And Amanda's back on the track. He's working with the lesbians to try to get Wayward Say more points. Let's see if they get oh, and Wayward Say is knocked out. He's right back up and ready in the front.
Oh my goodness.
And a big hit from Levi. He's ready on the ground. And she's on the way to go for that.
I think I felt that one.
And that is a grand slam for Wayward Say. Towards the glass furnace Beckons, you got Lorana blocking. Oh! Oh, the hard shoulder from Lisa the Sun. Rachel goes down. Oh!
Man, so close. But she is so deep there. Let's be baby for that weekend to satisfy now.
Yes, she is. There's an Emily did not fall for the throwback. She stayed where she was supposed to go. Got some camera and interaction going on here.
That's right. She really needs to pour some coals on that fire to get through those pink shirts right now.
Eyes on the run, holding in the box. Kansas City High, 3-3-1 over
That's it.
Red. Big score Jets. Got her! And he's fighting to win it, but he's never status. But Arissa catches on the tail. Wilson catches her, ladies and gentlemen. Wilson catches her.
Good job. Turn around right now. Well, calling off actually.
You might supposed to my way through if you're standing sideways.
Totally missed that one.
And there's Ricky in the box. Ready to get a little more aggressive. That's a grand slam for the Levi.
That's right. She's absolutely brutal out there this afternoon.
Another grand slam for the Blanford Betty.
Move right there.
Brennan Kramer got this. That's easy.
Wow, Animal. Animal was under supported. That's actually a good guy.
Cortez trying to find that hole. Loogie, first pass, Loogie. We're definitely becoming legion on the status for
I
Reddick.
think Flat Pack was around the 1. So,
Oh, Rico Ramon goes down, and that does not happen often.
Ouch.
He's one right over the boom.
Oh.
I heard that from here.
AU. Coming up, I like it. Kansas AU. That's James running. Wow. Payne carrying after a little, and now she's throws a heck of a shoulder.